Hey all, today we're doing a bike check. I love this bike. Been riding this thing for a while now. We'll get to that in a second. Let me safely maneuver this thing somewhere that makes sense. So, what do we have here is a, gosh, I don't even remember the year, 91 I would guess, I think, if I remember right. I don't know if I've talked about this bike yet. Let's get to it, all right? '91 Trek Antelope 800, 26-inch wheels, chromoly frame. It's TIG welded, brazed in the rear, cantilever brakes, rack mounts. XH Country Drivetrain was the original. And what this would have had is what they call a biopace, which means that this would have been oval, which was supposed to like help your pedal stuff, whatever. Chromoly, So I switched it out a little bit on this bike. So this was originally 3 in the front, 6 in the rear. Did this 1x with steel chain rings so that they wear forever, never wear out. Chain guards so the chain can't come off, you don't get your pants all dirty. Chain catcher so that the chain can't come off the inside. New bottom bracket, sealed, square taper, super chill. Basic metal pedals. Drivetrain is interesting enough. This is an X, or a not an X8. This is a SRAM chain, kind of a basic replacement. This guy's an 8-speed. The goal was to get up to, in a freewheel, a 34 tooth rear so that your gearing would be more usable with one shifter. So in order to do this, what you have to do is take the spacers out of the axle, this guy, and you've got to switch spacers out from the drive side, these two, to change the offset of the wheel so that it sits over in the frame a little more, so that you've got clearance to put a bigger freewheel. Now, in order to do that, you have to re-tension all the spokes to bring the wheel back so it's straight in the frame when you're riding, so it's not offset. So that was something that's not hard to do, but it's a little more intensive than most people probably realize. Got Schwalbe Land Cruiser tires because they're super fast, super smooth. Got a Cloud 9 seat because they are comfy, they are sporty, they do the things. Tilt up a hair in the nose because it's got the cushion for it. We've got ESI foam grips because hell, they match so good. Look at this. Can we turn this a little bit? Can you see that? Perfect color match. Everybody recognizes this bar, right? This is that like $17 handlebar, 5-inch rise steel sunlight bar, factory stem. Still has the cannies on it because they just work great. Same wheel tire combo in the front. Swapped out the steel seat post for an aluminum one, dropped some weight. We got a little bit cleaner seat post clamp that had a big metal lever. Stainless cables from SRAM housing. And that's it. This thing is super comfy. It's great to ride. And it'll probably last somebody another 30-40 years. Like, it's awesome. And you can't beat one shifter to do all. Right? I didn't even mention Avid single digits. Works so smooth. Yeah, that's that. 1991 Trek. Don't quote me on that. I think it's a 91. I'd have to do some more searching. I should look at that. But we're going to say 91 for today. Trek Antelope 800. Set up for a city bike. Super smooth, super fast, great tires and wheels. 1x8. Hey, what do they say? 1x8 works great.